Hi guys, welcome to Babes Life in the US. Ayan guys, our YouTube channel, Babes Life in the US. Ayan guys, I have new Mr. Coffee. 12 cup siya guys. My husband bought this morning and deliver immediately guys after, I think after 3 hours. He bought this and this one, gravy and our lunch. This our lunch today, chicken. Because the old one, also Mr. Cookie guy, broken na guy, only 8 months. We need to throw this. Unboxing tayo guys. This is, oh wow, what is that? Plastic. Oh, this one here. Wow, happy na. Wow, brand new. Pansin mo guys, brand new guys. Ah, this is different guy because have hour, minute, strong, brew later. Oh, this is look nice. Compare the other one broken. The other one much cheaper. This one much little higher. This one cost $27, I think. The other one like $20. But the different have push button over here. Bro later, hour, minute, strong, bro now. That's the difference. Okay, bye-bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe below and thumbs up to our channel. And check out our Bibs Closet in its Ibian Mikare. And also check out our Retrieval Decor Navy. Bye-bye guys. See you to the next video. God bless you all. And bye-bye.